So I know I'm not the only one. There's so many AI tools out there that even as a software developer, when I'm trying to build something new, I don't know where to start. Like, kind of overwhelming to know which tool to pick for what you're trying to do. So like, for example, if I'm trying to build a mobile app, what tool or service should I use? Should I be using Cursor? Should I be using Replit or Lovable and letting it code it for me first and then going in and tweaking it after? Like, should I be using KG.codes, CLI, and coding a lot of myself? Like, how do I know which tool to use? Because there's just so many tools out there. And so I did a little bit of research into some of these tools, and what I see is one of the best processes is if you're building something new, a lot of times you want to get to a minimum viable product, the MVP, very fast. And using tools like Replit and Lovable is a good way to quickly validate your idea in the market, maybe even, or at least to investors, or at least to friends and family, or people that may use the product, and see if the product itself makes sense very quickly without having to go and build everything out first. And so you can start there, but then these things have limitations. Like Lovable and these services, they have limitations that they're trying to catch up with now, but they have limitations of what they can do once the app becomes more complex. And so eventually you can export the app from these services once you validate the idea and you're serious about it. Then you can start using tools like Cursor and KG.code to enhance the development experience, enhance the development on the app itself. That seems like the best approach, is to actually use all of these things to a degree, all these different levels of AI within development, without getting overwhelmed. So let me know what y'all think.